All right, traders, to watch this video for, what day is tomorrow? Wednesday, July 24th. SPY right back up, kind of flagging here, and then today, right back up near all-time highs. It's summertime volume. It's a slow environment out there. Some great calls in chat today. Some great alerts. I'm not going to go over them now because I've started making short, like, cell phone videos of those calls to try to show people how different our room is, right? There's no, hey guys, I'm in XYZ, and then everybody piles in, and then you have musical chairs. There are actual setups that if Wayne and I die tomorrow, you'll be able to log in the next day and still find them and trade them, right? And that's very important to us. We want we've created a room, and we want it to be this way, where you guys don't need us, which might be a stupid business model, right? Create an environment where you don't need us anymore, but you know, we're not that bright, so what am I going to say? Let's go to LK. Great call today by Wayne. I'll switch to 5-minute candles real quick. I said I wasn't going to go over this, but I just want to share this one. Just called over 2175, which was yesterday's high. This is the opening 5-minute candle today, and right back up. He called it over 2175, and I mean, man, 20, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, all the way up to 23, and ended up closing at its high. So we're going to watch that one again tomorrow. Huge move, though. It's worth noting that it's made a big 2-day move. So I don't like it tomorrow very much, but I loved it today. OTLK is kind of obscure. I don't really like this one, but if you zoom in, you had the big pop, and you're kind of sideways for 3 days. This is maybe my least favorite, but you never know. Might catch a bid tomorrow. QTT, there was some nice potential China news out, so keep an eye on any China-related stock that you watch. QTT, I already had on watch coming into today, and then today's high was 491, yesterday's high 494, so it is interesting over the 2-day high, looking at this potential catalyst here of 520, a break of this high, it might just rip. So with China stocks maybe getting a bid, it's worth watching. Speaking of China stocks, let me pan out this PDD. There, that's a good look right there. A little bit of extra volume today and up near a recent high. And a nice move today, so we're going to watch for a follow-through tomorrow. And like I said, keep your eyes on anything China-related. ECOR, big volume today. Closing well off its highs, but that volume, and it seems to maybe have found a bottom. Makes me want to watch it tomorrow. OBLN, great call by Melissa today in chat through 83 cents. I'll show you the 5-minute chart. I said I wasn't going to do this, and now I'm doing it. Popped to 83 right here. Kind of did this cup and handle. She called it long over 83 and all the way to $1.05. Yeah, $1.05. With the volume today, let me try that again. All right, there it is. With the volume today, that's going to stand out tomorrow, right? And you had a couple of big pops back here, all the way up to $1.90. So this is definitely worth watching tomorrow. Maybe back to $1. We'll see. We'll see how it sets up. LCI. A huge move yesterday, and then gave back a chunk of that today on lower volume. Sometimes you get a 3rd-day play, back right back up. So we're going to watch that one tomorrow. MRKR, beating up stock here, right? Just fell off a cliff, but really down to some nice support after 3 big down days. So let's keep our eyes on that one for a bounce tomorrow. TRNX, I got to zoom in for this one. We had the gap up here, came back in, gap up again, and another red day, but kind of back to where it gapped up to last time. So this goes on bounce watch tomorrow, like looking for a turn back up. They did have really good news yesterday, or at least it sounded like good news, and then you get a gap down in a red day today. This one's pretty clean setup for a pop tomorrow. We'll see, right? Whoops, CHMA. I made a video today of 2 great calls in chat. Both of them the same idea, but They're straight from our pullback, how we buy pullbacks, free webinar. So check that out if you didn't get a chance. It's on my Twitter feed. A couple of great posts today. Now this closed well off of its high, so I don't like it that much. But with that kind of volume, we definitely want to watch it tomorrow. Keep in mind, when you get this kind of big topping tail here and this kind of volume, a lot of people that bought it anywhere during this tail are underwater. So that's why when they close kind of weak like that, I like them a lot less. But it, as we say all the time, it doesn't cost me anything to put it on a chart, right? QUAD, nice volume today, and closed probably over the midpoint of its daily range, which makes me like it a little bit more. I don't live and die by that metric, but I still think maybe we'll get a red to green in that one tomorrow. And then lastly, AQXP, which let me pan out and you see this a little better. You have this huge island down here, right? And I'll zoom in a little bit now, but a nice volume today and a very strong close. So we'll look for a follow-through day in that tomorrow. You know what? I'm going to leave it at that. There's plenty to watch, and we'll add some gappers in the pre-market. Teamwork has been phenomenal in chat. Let's keep that going, and I'll see you all tomorrow.